If Chrome is crashing with a SIGILL error, or you keep seeing the dreaded or snap message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Chrome working again without wasting time. We're going to start with the most common cause, then move through a few settings that often solve the problem for good. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, let's disable Chrome extensions, especially ad blockers. Extensions can sometimes run bad scripts in the background, and one broken extension can trigger a crash like SIGILL. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. Now turn off every active extension. Once they're disabled, reload the page that was crashing. If Chrome stops erroring out, you found the issue is extension related. At that point, turn your extensions back on one at a time until the crash comes back, and that will help you identify the exact extension causing the problem. Next, reset Chrome's experimental flags. If you've ever changed hidden settings in Chrome, one unstable flag could be forcing Chrome into an error state. In the address bar, type chrome/flags and press enter. Once the flags page opens, click Reset All in the top right corner, then click Relaunch at the bottom to restart Chrome with default settings. This is a very important step because experimental features can sometimes conflict with your system and cause unexpected crashes. Now let's clear Chrome's cache and site data. Corrupted cached files, shader data, or old browser data can break page rendering and trigger serious browser errors. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This opens the clear browsing data window. Set the time range to all time. Then make sure cached images and files is selected, and also select cookies and other site data. After that, click Clear Data. Once it's finished, restart Chrome and test the website again. In many cases, this alone can fix the issue because it removes damaged browser data that Chrome may be trying to use. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is safe browsing security. In some cases, Chrome's protection settings can interfere with certain websites or web app routines. Go to Chrome's settings, then Privacy and Security, and then Security. Here you may see the safe browsing options. Temporarily switch to no protection, but only long enough to test whether the error changes. I want to emphasize that this is not a setting you should leave on permanently. It's just for troubleshooting, so once you test the site, you can turn your protection back on. Another major fix is turning off hardware acceleration. If Chrome is trying to use your graphics card in a way that doesn't fully match your system, the tab can crash instead of loading correctly. To turn this off, go to Settings, then System. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. After that, relaunch Chrome. This is especially useful if the error only happens on certain websites, video players, or pages that use heavy graphics or advanced scripts. If you've made it this far, go ahead and give the video a like if one of these steps has helped you. And if you want more simple fixes for browser errors, Windows issues, and everyday tech problems, subscribe now so you don't miss the next tutorial.